So our community is the first community to have an agreement with the government para ma-manage namin ang aming forest, ang aming ancestral land. So in 1973, we organized ourselves and we called ourselves the ITO, the Kalahan Educational Foundation. And through KEF, we were able to negotiate and gain legal recognition of our rights to manage our forests, to manage our natural resources. And it's the first of its kind na i-recognize ng isang government ng isang public land ay mabibigyan ng land tenure to a community. It's the first of its kind, kaya tinawag na Memorandum of Agreement number 1. So from this Memorandum of Agreement number 1, it gave us 25 years na land tenure sa aming lupaing ninuno. And from that Memorandum of Agreement, dito na na-pattern ang CBIC-FM, ang stewardship, mga stewardship certificates ng DNR, and even ng IPRA law. So naging DNA at catalyst itong MOA number 1 that was signed by our community and the government. So for that 25 years, now we're turning 50. We have been managing our forests, our natural resources. We reforested it because of the war. Naging denuded yung area, and with the help of our partners, we were able to educate ourselves to be more, to develop more technology para mas maging sustainable yung practices. And ayun, right now we are turning 50 years, and within that 50 years we have also nagpatayo din kami ng indigenous school. It's the first of its kind din. And in that indigenous school, it's called Kalahan Academy. They teach us, kasi din akong alumni ng Kalahan Academy. They taught us not just about our culture, but they also taught us about the environment. So merong environmental education. So way before there was Indigenous People's Education or IPED ng DepEd, way before there was environmental education that is now going on like ngayon, we have been doing that for 50 years. The school has been doing that for 50 years. All because there was empowerment. We were empowered through the organization. All because our elders and leaders were very passionate and fearless in fighting for our rights.